Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako mag-assemble na itong binili ko Eco office chair sa Shopee. So, as you can see, nauna ko lang tapusin attach yung nasa baba. Which is very easy to do. Next na gagawin natin is yung install the adjuster at the back of this seat. I bought black and white. Wala kasi yung gray. Dahil ubos. Out of stock. Ito yung assembly manual. Ganyan lang siya. So, parang susundin mo na lang yung ginagawa niya dito. And then, madali naman siyang sundan. Instead, you have to figure it out by yourself. Sorry. So, I'm just gonna do some time lapse so you can see how I work on this part. See you right back.
I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
Taran! Ayan na siya. Ay. So, ayan guys, as you can see, I'm back again. And nakababa na yung buho ko kasi kagigising ko lang. But ayun, I just wanna update you about this chair. Na wala na akong masasabi pa, kundi ang ganda, promise. Ang ganda lang talaga. So, this is my Shopee Budol to you guys. If you wanna buy this kind of chair, I'll just gonna put the link of the shop sa description box or I'll just comment down below later, okay? If you just wanna visit them and, you know, buy this stuff. And marami din silang mga gaming chairs doon. Hindi lang. Ayun, worth it yung price na tong chair na to. Makakamahal lang kayo sa shipping fee, but that's fine. Because, guys, well package, all the materials really except for one screw. But that's fine. Kasi, kung mangyari man din sa inyo, mahanap nyo siya. I mean, makakabili naman kayo sa mga hardware stores dyan sa kung saan man kayo. And, ayun. Ang comfy na lang talaga. And, ayun. I just recommend this chair sa inyo. And, of course, share it with you kasi alam kong malapit na naman ang panibagong na semester this year. And, I wish you all good luck. And, mag-aral tayo mabuti. Huh? Let's motivate ourselves every day. Yeah. You can do it. And I can do it. Oh my God. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching this raw video. And I hope to see you soon. If you want more Shopee Budols from me, just comment down below. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Hey guys, don't forget to follow all my social media accounts here. And click the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload 9 videos. And for your information, I'm very active on TikTok. So, if you want to see me there, follow me. Bye!